I want to tell you about a very lowly form of life, a slime mold. It's the present-day counterpart of the primordial ooze that appeared on Earth many, many eons ago. The descendant of this primordial ooze, the substance which gives life to all plants and animals, we call it protoplasm. Now let us go into the woods and collect the protoplasm of a slime mold. We shall probably find it growing on an old stump, such as this one. Or if the first stump reveals nothing, we'll search for another. And now here's better luck. Golden yellow protoplasm glistening in the sun. No shape to it, for it's always changing shape. No cells, no tissue, just protoplasm. One protoplasmic mass with many living nuclei. Having collected the protoplasm in nature, we can now grow it in the laboratory. Here is a culture of the slime mold Physarum, growing so luxuriantly that it is crawled out of its culture dish. Note here this hanging thread of protoplasm on the left, with a mass of protoplasm on the end of it. It reveals the tensile strength of the living substance. And all the while, the protoplasm is flowing up and down in this living thread. Here we have a closer view of the culture. In the center is an island on which the food is placed. Slime molds are very fond of oatmeal. And surrounding the island is a moat of water. And here a still nearer view of a small part of the whole, such as we would see if we used a hand lens. Remember, this is not tissue, not an aggregation of cells, but just protoplasm. And through it all, there is constant streaming. And now the protoplasm is seen through the microscope. The movement never ceases as long as there is life, except during hibernation in wintertime. Here is a younger portion of the plasmodium. Could we but understand the cause of this constant movement, we should be nearer to an understanding of what life is. The protoplasm here flows all over the surface. Later, definite channels will be established. The granules which you see are nuclei, fat droplets, vacuoles, and bits of food. Here the plasmodium assumes its mature form, but even now the arteries are transitory, and soon the whole picture will change. Note particularly the reversal in direction of flow, with a rhythmic period of 50 seconds.